Thank you to Westpac Lifestyle for sponsoring this episode.
Hey guys, I'm so excited for our video today. I came to Westpac Lifestyle and I thought I'd bring you along for the ride. We're going shopping. I'm so excited. I'm Des and this is Sort and Style. Hey guys. Hello. Hi, good, how are you? Good, thank you. Hey guys, I'm standing here with Paul. It's actually Paulo because he's Portuguese, obviously.
Obvious.
And I'm gonna try and show him things that maybe he doesn't even know about in the store. And he'll try and show me things. We'll see, we'll learn and we'll go shopping.
Let's see.
Where
do you
dustbin. I saw a dustbin. How do
You
I
mentioned-
walk with this thing? I don't know how to walk with
There we
this
go.
thing.
There we go. You got us. You mentioned a dustbin.
Eish,
Don't worry.
I'm already causing
That's our
havoc.
displays. Don't know if you've tried them.
I'm sorry.
No, not at all. Not at all.
I'm always so clumsy on this.
Happens all the time. That's why we encourage all our customers, especially with our baskets, our trolleys. But
I don't
that's
have a
good.
basket.
It falls, especially if you're a mother. You've got 2 or 3 kids.
Oh, yeah.
Mornings. Okay, so which dustbin caught your eye?
These
Jen?
are cool.
It
What's
was
this?
this. All right, so
I like these.
these, obviously being your slow releaser,
Where is this thing?
as you
Oh,
can
there,
see,
yeah. Do it again.
straight import, only found at Westpac.
I love it. You know which one I like is the white one. The white one is
The white.
I love it. But anyway, carry on. I like it. Either way, it's cool.
I'm just trying to see, fastest selling one.
Is the black,
Yeah.
does it sell more?
Unique people.
That's me.
What makes this awesome? Straight bucket out,
And then you can take it out easily.
and it's a straight import. So these, you definitely only find them at Westpac. There is quite a few of them. Rose gold.
Oh,
your chrome.
rose gold.
Yeah, as you
Ooh.
can see, there we go. Over here. It's just
Oh, I like that one too.
over there.
I love it.
So your white finish with your chrome, your black, your rose gold, and yeah, it's actually the one I pulled out. So
Ah,
So you're
that's
right.
So cool. Okay, so you're
So-
saying my first choice was a good choice.
well, it was my choice. The black, white was your choice. So if you do decide to take, let me know.
I will.
Okay.
Next.
What is
your...
this?
Why
Okay,
are you
now
taking
let me show
my
you
stuff?
something.
I'm usually the only one that touches the selfie stick, but okay, let's go. Go.
You know what? Not tonight. And I'll show you why. Okay, we've got the folding table here, your normal old school standard size. Guys, can we please have this brought down and opened up here? Now, I've seen your show,
I use one of
and
these.
this is the one you use. And this is why I want to show you what came out straight after this. Okay, Des, do me a favor and grab here.
It's my selfie stick. Selfie stick. Ooh,
So here's your folding table. I know you got one. I've seen your shows.
I do.
This is the one.
I use it often.
Yeah.
So,
So there's your
that's
old school
dirty.
ones. Remember the steel that we were brought up in? Well,
isn't it?
what are you saying?
I guess it's just a demo, hey?
I'm glad you brought that up. This is why we keep it a little bit dirty, because we like to show our customers what to use on surfaces like this, especially when it's this dirty. So yes, a demo. Tomorrow morning it gets cleaned,
Ah.
and as customers, the morning rush, they start seeing the detergents, and as the demos get cleaned.
Ah, then you
But
can
it-
get to use your, then they see the detergents as well. That's clever.
I want to show you what to bring on to your next show.
Okay.
It's a small, exactly the same table. just a
That's
bit
smaller.
smaller. Easier. Made for ladies. Same concept. Opens up. It's got the LM keys, the lock. I have a handyman around.
You said
And
you
that's
see
being
my
the
shows.
1.8.
I like
Smaller
it.
table, just in case.
I need one of those.
I'd like to thank the sponsor of this video, Westpac Lifestyle. So get down to one of their nationwide stores and check out this amazing brand. Thanks, Westpac Lifestyle. Back to the video.
You want to drive?
Now you got this. European left-hand drive. You got this.
Hey, you got grass. Fake grass.
Awesome.
Artificial
Awesome.
grass.
Artificial, different sizes. Awesome.
This is what I wanted to show you.
Oh, okay. The
These are very cool. I
Sandrina,
like
the Italia. I call this the Italian range. This is from Addis.
Oh, I love them.
A great seller, yeah. This is the Palermo. This would be your Sardina. Sardina in a different size. Your Sardina flowers. These are awesome.
They are very cool.
These are awesome. I mean,
My bestie,
From-
our pet show,
yes.
she
Vanessa.
Vanessa's got in her garden.
But yeah, they're awesome. We took it was a customer brought in a little baby cactus.
Oh,
And in months, in this one.
very cool.
Yeah.
I like it.
No, awesome range from Addis.
I found this, huh? That's 1 point for me. You have a point
I'll
for
give
the
you
bins.
even a point.
You have a point for the
1.5. This was a good find.
Yeah.
This was a good find. But okay, since you mentioned the artificial, let's give you another 0.5 then.
Okay.
Your challenges are your odor. Sorry, the retail pace.
I have short legs. Yeah, I can't walk so fast.
And this is what makes this one so special. Effective bioformulated artificial lawn cleaning and odor control liquid.
Oh, wow.
And it makes 50 liters, so this lasts forever. That odor, anyone that has normal artificial
My
grass will
mom
tell
does.
you.
I know exactly what
And
it is.
it's
that
just
it
that
smells like.
we need to buy new again and again and again. Where this is what makes this one a bit special.
I'm going to take it for my mother. Mom, you need one.
10 by 10 meters.
Okay, that was a good one. I'll give you a point for that. Next is sweeties. Oh, I like these sweeties. I like these sweeties. Can I take one?
Yeah, of course.
Can I open it?
100%.
Can you open it?
So, what do you mean?
These things are hard to open. Guys!
So, what do you mean, can I open it?
Open it, try. I tried to open it the one time and it didn't work so good.
Desiree, I saw that part earlier on when you were wrestling and whatnot. That's why there's ridges on top, and it's as simple as. And you may have one.
Thank you. I thought I was going to get
So,
you.
I know you did, and that's about 5 points. Case closed.
Guys, that
Was
had to be worth a like. Come on, guys.
definitely
If
got it there.
you have to give it a big thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment. And
Guys, the rest, subscribe. Everyone does YouTube. You know what to do. Hit the subscribe, hit the like.
you're a natural. He's a natural.
Okay.
You should get a YouTube video. I mean, episode
should.
channel. YouTube channel.
Okay, so what I wanted to show you is what you ladies go crazy for. 2022, how things get so easy for you ladies. So this range being also an import to Westpac, everything you see here makes things easier in the kitchen. So, you want to do
Easy. I like easy.
strawberries?
Making things
You want to
easier.
slice them? You want an egg whisker? You want pips pulled out? Your olives? Do you want your ever sliced in 8? Do you want it diced? in a second. Do you want your
that?
corn holders as you set up an easy
Where'd
table
you
like you
hold
did
it?
at your
That's
show
cool.
the other day? That would have been brilliant with Heritage. So this, yeah, from I mean, this range is just massive. It's massive. It's awesome.
And they got the burger.
I mean, the burger patties.
I must
Let's show-
Vivian.
Sometimes we leave, you use what, half a tomato? It's Italiano, making your sugo. Don't throw the tomato away.
Oh, it's got a thingy. I got that one. I did a fridge video the other day.
Oh,
and used
okay.
That.
Didn't
but
see that.
that's cool.
Don't throw it away.
You
Keep it for
must
the
go
next.
See it. Hurry, I'm holding the sweets, so I can't hold it. Far. Must I put my sweets down?
So here's something I never noticed before. I was just going to show you the wine glass markers, which is the lady's fastest seller.
No, I love that.
But I did not see that Paul was on there. So, glass of wine.
Paul. That is cool.
It
That is very
it is.
cool. You
And
can
these
mark
are
your
super
glass.
cool, especially this summer.
What is that?
You don't want to go up and
Ice!
down. Water, water, water. No, guys, just put this in the freezer, in your drink, and it's done.
I like that one.
So definitely arrange to come and
Very,
look at.
very
You guys
cool.
will have an awesome time with all of this.
Summer vibes. I like it. That's cool. That is very cool because you always have people that use their glass and then leave it and then they want another glass. Then you have to wash like 20 million glasses at the end of the night.
100%.
Now you got your name on it. Now you won't lose your glasses, guys.
Well,
Love it. I love it. Okay, now I'm going to show you something that I don't think you've seen.
unlikely, but I want to see.
I think my tongue is blue. Is my tongue blue?
Very, very. The
Sorry.
package you couldn't open.
Are we on points now, by the way?
Oh, I'm kicking your.
I think we're pretty even.
All right. Yeah, 4, 5. Okay, let's go
They
5,
light
5.
up. You can put them in the pool.
Those are
and
awesome.
they light up and you can sit
Those
on
are
them.
awesome.
And at night, they glow. Like, who doesn't like glowy stuff?
These awesome for all types of occasions. Winter, summer. Like the easy setup you did on the one show I saw. If the party carried on until the evening.
One show. I've got like 9. You need to go watch all
The
of them.
one that I saw. Well, the one. The one. So if it goes into the evening with a nice light effect, you can change colors, floating on the pool, a nice cosmopolitan crowd, and a beautiful
With your
evening.
glass, with your name on it. And it's just a vibe.
Oh, definitely.
Vibes. I like
Definitely.
it.
So yeah, elegant
Cocktails. You can have cocktails with it.
cocktails. Well, if you're gonna have cocktails, we can now go on to caviar,
Champagne.
olives, stuffed olives. We can have,
Martinis.
what?
Martinis.
We can go as far as tequila, salt, lemon,
Floor.
floor. Well done.
I'll let you choose the last one because you're about a quarter point ahead.
Not a quarter.
Yeah, a quarter. Come, just a quarter.
A quarter. All right, I'm gonna hit you with a bang.
We'll see.
Okay,
about that.
let's see. Cleaning, baking, cleaning. You did a spring clean show, didn't you?
I did, yes.
You did.
With that thing. I did it.
That's right. The hydro spinner. Awesome. One of the fastest sellers now. And actually,
And there's this one. I didn't know about this one. I used this one, but this
oh,
is
sorry,
so cool
the
too.
hydro spinner.
This is
The
cool.
hydro spinner.
What's the difference? What's the difference?
Well, the difference here, let me show you. This I have to show you. This is your clean water, 2-bucket system. Separates dirty water from your clean water. So this is where it all goes wrong in the houses where you're cleaning your floors, but what are you doing? You're going back into the same water, you're rinsing, but you're just
Like
moving the
dirty
dust
water,
around. So the hydro spinner literally separates the dirt, which I'd have to build the whole thing to show you.
Sorry.
So, no. Lost it.
It was the same for me.
This is now where they've got me. If it's, Hey, Chris. Hi, how are you?
The big boss.
O copa desse? O avô, tu chamas o avô? Sim. Trabalha já.
Needed a woman's touch.
Okay, so are we filming?
I think so.
Okay, so water goes in and whatever detergents you decide to use. Obviously, lock. Your first time round, soak. Sorry.
My shoes, cleaning my shoes. Rude.
Okay, so as you can see here, when you put it in, release, and all your dirt falls into the middle compartment. And you ladies come out and it's super clean.
Ladies. My husband does
Sorry.
the...
Yeah, I heard. Sorry. For him. And the middle compartment collects the dust, and that's the new Hydro Spinner. That is a big hit at the moment.
I like it.
So,
But more importantly, Hayden will like it.
Hayden, it was made for Hayden. Because
I'm sure it
moving the
was.
dust around just made him do it 3-4 times a week. So now Hayden can only do it once.
And this is cool because we just...
And get,
And
yeah,
then
you
you
do
take
get
it
your
out.
spare one.
And you can push it in, put it in the wash.
Put it straight in the wash, however you want to wash it.
Simple, simple. Guys, that was so much fun. Thanks so much for joining us shopping. I think we'll probably do this again next month, if that's okay.
No, definitely. No, some super stuff. I wish I could show you more, but I did kick your butt. It was about
We're
7,
on
5.
even points.
No.
Thanks so much.
You
Guys,
guys decide. Again, guys, please, the like button, subscribe, and if you can, who won this?
leave a comment and tell him that I won. Okay. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye. Thanks so much. I think that was really,
No, it was.
really good. Yeah, I think it's
Gonna
going to
make
be a
it-
good one. Good
No,
video.
it will make an awesome episode.
Oh, and by the way,
Yeah,
we were even on the points. Okay.
of course we were.